Sony HTS20R soundbar. For unforgettable movie moments. Get the best seat in the house. A soundbar, subwoofer and rear speakers create authentic surround sound. While 400-watt output and Dolby Digital registered trademark symbol help put you right at the heart of all your favorite movies. 5.1 channels real surround sound. 5 speakers and a subwoofer work together to deliver big, full-frequency sound. 400-watt total power output. A total power output of 400 watt helps bring every movie scene to life. Dolby registered trademark symbol digital technology. Enjoy dramatic, high-quality surround sound from 5.1 channels soundbar, separate audio channels with Dolby registered trademark symbol digital. Cinema mode. Feel and hear the action all around you, as sound travels behind you and draws you into the movie experience. Music mode. Hear all the vividness and richness of your favorite music in fine detail. Voice mode. Whether it's the morning news or a season finale, this mode tailors sound settings to accentuate speech so you won't miss a word. Night mode. Watching a movie at night? This function optimizes the sound balance so you can hear everything clearly even at low volume levels. USB port. Use the USB port to plug and play from a USB memory stick. Bluetooth registered trademark symbol connectivity. Use Bluetooth registered trademark symbol technology to wirelessly stream music from your smartphone. The HTS20R is almost ready to go straight out of the box. Simply plug it in, wire up your main bar speaker and rear speakers via color-coded connections. Position your wired subwoofer and rear speakers and enjoy 5.1 channels of real surround sound. HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC audio return channel lets you connect to compatible TVs with a single cable, reducing cable clutter. Optical input. TV not compatible with HDMI ARC. Enjoy high-quality sound for movies and more when you connect to the optical input. Analog input. If HDMI ARC and the optical input aren't an option, simply connect your TV using the analog input. Experience 5.1 channels of real surround sound. Wired rear speakers, a 3-channel soundbar, and a wired external subwoofer combine to produce powerful cinematic sound, while USB and Bluetooth registered trademark symbol connectivity make it easy to play your favorite music. Amplifier. Amplifier type. Digital amplifier, S-Master. Amplifier channels. 5.1 channel. Power output total 400 watt. Subwoofer. Subwoofer type. Wired. Interface. Input and output terminals. Optical audio input, analog audio input, stereo mini, USB type A. Bluetooth registered trademark symbol. RX receiver. Bluetooth registered trademark symbol version 5.0. Price range of this article is almost 18,000, but the main cost of this product is almost 24,000, and in this price this soundbar is very good. The rating of this soundbar is almost 3.9, which is not much good and not much bad, it's good. Sound function. Sound mode. Auto sound, cinema, music, standard. Sound effect. Night mode, voice mode, level. Speaker layout. Speaker structure. 5.1 channel, wired subwoofer. Bar speaker. 1 SS S20R. Subwoofer. 1 SA WS20R. Rear speaker. 2 SS SS20R.
So the next soundbar is HDS40R, which is also a good option to buy for an exceptional audio experience. A combination of soundbar, subwoofer and wireless rear speakers deliver a dynamic surround sound that fills your room. And with 600-watt output and Dolby Digital, you will get powerful sound that puts you at the heart of the action. 600 watts total power output. A total power output of 600 watt helps bring every movie scene to life. 5.1 channel real surround sound. A 3-channel bar speaker, rear speakers and a subwoofer work together to deliver big, full-frequency sound. Dolby Digital technology. Enjoy dramatic, high-quality surround sound from 5.1 channel soundbar, separate audio channels with Dolby registered trademark symbol digital. With a wireless amplifier to power the rear speakers, there are no wires between the front and the rear of your room to get in the way. The subwoofer and soundbar also share a single power connection, so the system can deliver cinema sound without clutter or complexity. For even fewer wires in your living room, you can send audio to your home theater system wirelessly with the Sony Bravia TV supporting TV wireless connection. Play your favorite music. It's not just movies that sound amazing, the HDS40R is made for music too. Bluetooth connectivity. Use Bluetooth registered trademark symbol to wirelessly stream music from your smartphone. USB port. Use the USB port to plug and play from a USB memory stick. Slim and elegant. The punched metal grille and ability to be wall-mounted make the soundbar a great match for any TV. Stylish and unobtrusive. Compact, yet powerful wireless rear speakers effortlessly integrate with your room and can easily be wall-mounted. Versatile two-way design. Place the wireless amplifier however you like, flat on a surface like a table, or mount it on the wall. The HDS40R is almost ready to go straight out of the box. Simply plug it in. Wire up your main bar speaker using simple color-coded connections and connect rear speakers via the wireless amplifier. Then sit back and enjoy 5.1 channels of real surround sound. Fill the room with 5.1 channels, 600 watts real surround sound. Enjoy Dolby registered trademark symbol digital audio. Wireless rear speakers. Easy Bluetooth registered trademark symbol connectivity for music streaming. Simple setup with HDMI ARC, optical and analog inputs. Power output, total 600 watt. Amplifier channels. 5.1C channels. Input and output terminals. Analog audio input, stereo mini, USB Type A, optical audio input. Price IS of this product, IS almost 35,000. And rating IS almost 4.0.
Our next soundbar is HDS400. Soundbars. 2.1 channel soundbar with powerful wireless subwoofer. Enjoy rich surround sound with clear dialogue. With 330 watt total output, this soundbar with powerful wireless subwoofer brings cinematic surround sound to your living room. MRP 28,990 rupees. Here sound come from all around. The soundbar couples high-quality Dolby Digital with S-Force Pro Front Surround, our virtual surround sound technology. It puts you right at the heart of the movies you love by emulating cinema-style surround sound. Surround made simple. Using front speakers only, Sony's unique digital sound field processing technology virtually reproduces the surround sound field. With audio coming at you from both sides, you can enjoy rich, cinematic surround sound. Enjoy clear dialogue and powerful sound. Powerful speakers work together to deliver wide-ranging sound throughout your room, with technologies such as the X-balanced speaker unit and separated notch edge on the speaker unit helping to enhance vocal clarity. So whether you are watching movies or TV, you won't miss a word of dialogue. X-balanced speaker unit. Front speakers feature an X-balanced speaker unit. The unique rectangular shape of these speakers maximizes the diaphragm. It reduces driver excursion while maintaining sound pressure, resulting in less distortion and greater vocal clarity. Separated notch edge. The separated notch edge on the X-balanced speaker unit improves vertical amplitude symmetry, an essential for clear sound quality. It achieves this using strategically placed cuts on the edge, which help to control the stress inside and outside the edge of the diaphragm. Deeper, richer bass sound. A powerful wireless subwoofer with a large 160 mm speaker unit delivers a deeper, richer bass sound. A pleasure to use. From intuitive controls to wireless connectivity, the soundbar is designed for a stress-free user experience. Comfortable control. Convenient features include dedicated buttons for adjusting the volume and sound settings. Simply select your sound. The soundbar offers a choice of sound settings to suit whatever you are watching or listening to. There's voice mode for clearer dialogue. Night mode for when you want to watch TV without waking the house, and sound field, which converts conventional soundtracks such as stereo audio into a surround sound experience. Easy wireless connection. To minimize cable clutter, you can send audio wirelessly to your soundbar from a Sony Bravia TV supporting wireless connection. The wireless connection also lets you turn your TV and soundbar on and off simultaneously using the Bravia power button. Wirelessly stream music from your smartphone, tablet or laptop. S4's Pro Front Surround creates cinematic audio. Wireless subwoofer delivers deeper, richer sound. X-balanced speaker unit for vocal clarity. Connect your TV over a single cable with HDMI ARC. Bluetooth connectivity for wireless audio streaming. So the next model in Sony bars is HTS 500 RF, and the MRP is 43,990 rupees. Incl of all taxes, and it is also a best soundbar in all bars. Experience cinematic sound in your home, brought to you by a 5.1 channel system with compact rear speakers and 1000-watt total power output. Get lost in the moment with the thrill of real surround sound. 1000-watt total power output. Give your movies, music and games added depth and detail with 1000-watt total power output. 5.1 ch real surround sound. Get the best seat in the house. A Bluetooth soundbar, subwoofer and two powerful rear speakers create an authentic cinema experience. Bluetooth connectivity. Stream music from your smartphone through a Bluetooth connection. DTS format support. The DTS format creates dynamic surround sound, bringing movies and music to life. Dolby Digital. Enjoy dramatic, high-quality surround sound from 5.1 channel soundbar, separate audio channels with Dolby Digital. Play songs from your smartphone through a Bluetooth connection on the soundbar and enjoy your favorite tracks wirelessly. With the Sony Music Center app, you can control music streamed wirelessly and played over USB. You are ready to go almost instantly. Just plug in and enjoy 5.1 channel soundbar channels of real surround sound. All your cables run into the subwoofer, so you can keep things neat and tidy. HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC audio return channel lets you connect to compatible TVs with a single cable. Optical input. Connect the optical input and enjoy high-quality sound for movies and more. USB port. Connect music on your USB drive, control playback on screen or from your phone with the Sony Music Center app. Fill the room with 5.1 ch real surround sound. Wired rear speakers and an external subwoofer. Easy connection with HDMI ARC. USB audio playback. Bluetooth connection.
Now we will talk about next Sony soundbar, and the name of this soundbar is HDG700. Cinematic surround sound and crystal clear dialogue, and the MRP of this soundbar is 51,990 rupees. This 3.1 channel Dolby Atmos DTS-X soundbar couples powerful immersive surround sound with crystal clear dialogue, so you can lose yourself completely in your favorite TV and movies. Hear sound from all directions with up to 7.1.2 channel surround sound. Vertical surround engine or advanced surround technology lets you enjoy the thrill of the latest cinema audio formats like Dolby Atmos DTS-X in a single slim unit. Its 3 front speakers combined with unique Sony signal processing reproduce vertical audio, creating virtual surround sound that seems to come from all around you. Experience sound from above. Thanks to Sony virtual surround technology, the soundbar can position sound in vertical space so you can experience 3D audio without the need for in-ceiling or up-firing speakers. As well as Dolby Atmos and DTS-X vertical surround engine lends a more realistic, multidimensional sound to other formats too. Surround made simple. Using front speakers, only Sony unique digital sound field processing technology virtually reproduces the surround sound field, with audio coming at you from both sides. There is no need to add rear speakers, meaning you can enjoy rich, cinematic surround sound without cluttering your living space. Give every movie the full cinema 7.1.2 experience. In a modern cinema, there are speakers all around you, each with their finely tuned sounds, combining to make a fully immersive surround sound experience. Hit the Immersive A audio enhancement button, and the HDG700 can upscale even regular stereo audio to 7.1.2 surround sound, so every TV show and movie gets the surround sound treatment. Center speaker for clear dialogue. A dedicated center speaker ensures that voice sounds can be clearly heard, whether it is quick-fire dialogue in your favorite TV show or whispered lines in a Hollywood movie. It is great for music too, ensuring a richly detailed listening experience. Rich powerful bass sound. A powerful wireless subwoofer delivers a deeper, richer bass sound, and with simple wireless connection, where you place it is up to you. Choose the perfect setting. A button for every sound, choose the one that is right for whatever you are watching or listening to. Take your pick from auto sound, standard surround, cinema, music, night and voice modes, and use subwoofer control to fine-tune your viewing experience. Cinema mode. Feel and hear the action all around you as sound travels behind you and draws you into the movie experience. Music mode. Hear all the vividness and richness of your favorite music in fine detail. Easy connections. Connect a compatible TV or device wirelessly via Bluetooth technology, or use the HDMI EARC audio return channel or optical digital input for full bandwidth sound. 3.1 channel Dolby Atmos DTS-X and vertical surround engine. Immersive A upscales audio to close to 7.1.2 channel sound. Center speaker for clearer dialogue. Wireless subwoofer for powerful bass sound. Sound modes for enhanced movies and music. Power output total 400 watt. Amplifier channels 3.1 channel. Main unit size body only with X height X dimension 980 x 64 x 108 mm. Make the most of your quality time. Watching a movie, catching up on a box set, listening to music, cheering on your favorite team. whatever you and your family enjoy doing together. A soundbar from Sony makes it even more fun. Experience quality time at its immersive, entertaining best. Our next Sony soundbar is HT-S700RF soundbars. 5.1 channel home cinema soundbar system with Bluetooth technology. Cinematic sound for your front room. Lose yourselves in cinematic sound that's as close to being at the movies as possible. A discreet 5.1 channel soundbar with tallboy rear speakers and 1000-watt total power output fully immerses you in the magic of true surround sound. 1000-watt total power output. Give your movies, music and games added depth and detail with 1000-watt total power output. 5.1 channel real surround sound. Get the best seat in the house. A Bluetooth soundbar, subwoofer and two powerful rear speakers create an authentic cinema experience. Bluetooth connectivity. Stream music from your smartphone through a Bluetooth connection. Surround yourself in cinematic sound. Through a 3-channel soundbar, subwoofer and powerful tallboy rear speakers, you can fill your room with all the big sounds of the movies. DTS format support. The DTS format creates dynamic surround sound, bringing movies and music to life. Dolby Digital. Enjoy dramatic, high-quality surround sound from 5.1 channel soundbar, separate audio channels with Dolby Digital. Tallboy speakers for true surround sound. Standing at 120 cm tall and with full-range 65 mm drivers, our tallboy rear speakers are perfectly positioned to deliver all those big sounds that you enjoy at the cinema. Browse and control easily with Sony Vertical Bar Music Center app. With the Sony Music Center app, you can control music streamed wirelessly and played over USB. HDMI ARC. HDMI ARC audio return channel lets you connect to compatible TVs with a single cable. Optical input. Connect the optical input and enjoy high-quality sound for movies and more. USB port. Connect music on your USB drive, control playback on screen or from your phone with the Sony Music Center app. Fill the room with 5.1 channel real surround sound. Tallboy speakers play audio at listening height. Easy connection with HDMI ARC. USB audio playback. Bluetooth connection.